Did the Minions just say Nasi Goreng Kicap Manis in their latest movie, Minions: The Rise of Gru?
Minibus? No le tipo todo para tú. Mayo la nasi goreng kicap manis.
They sure did, and that trailer has got Minion fans in Malaysia buzzing, especially since fried rice is a popular dish here. Well, if you don't speak the Malay language, Nasi Goreng Kicap Manis means fried rice in sweet soy sauce. In fact, there are many different ways to cook fried rice, but the question is fried rice bad for you? Nutritionists will tell you that white rice, which is usually used to make fried rice, is highly processed and is missing the hull, bran, and germ. Furthermore, fried rice is cooked with oil, and this could lead to high cholesterol and also heart diseases. Many chefs have their own fried rice recipe, and this may include using brown rice, using olive oil, and also certain additives apart from MSG to make it healthier. MSG stands for monosodium glutamate, which enhances the taste of food. MSG gets a bad rap because it is said to cause numbness, headaches, and even affects nerve cells. But studies are still inconclusive and the jury is still out on that one. Anyway, most chefs will stay away from MSG. And if you're making a video about fried rice and not using MSG, then beware. You might be dealt a harsh review by Uncle Roger.
Oh no. Putting jam in rice. This is disgusting.
However, the real danger in fried rice is actually the rice itself. Was it safe to be used in the first place? Because there is something known as the fried rice syndrome. Let's find out more about it.
Fried rice syndrome is a foodborne disease due to food intoxication by Bacillus cereus. Bacillus cereus is a toxin-producing bacterium that is one of the most common causes of food poisoning, and leftover fried rice is a primary culprit. To make a fried rice dish, the cooked rice is often left at room temperature for more than 2 hours to cool before frying it with other ingredients. Cooling the rice ensures that the finished fried rice won't get clumpy or become soggy. But reheating it doesn't get rid of the toxins the bacteria have already produced. The bacteria release two types of toxins. One causes diarrhea while the other toxin elicits vomiting. Symptoms typically begin 6 to 15 hours after eating contaminated foods, and typically subside after about a day. In 2016, a Texas woman sued a Chinese buffet alleging that she got fried rice syndrome and landed in the ICU for 8 days after eating at the restaurant. To prevent the fried rice syndrome, it is suggested to boil the rice in smaller quantities and reduce the storage time before frying. You can cool it quickly by transferring it to shallow containers and storing it in the refrigerator before frying. So that's the fried rice syndrome.
Alright, so I don't think I'll be able to convince anyone to stop eating fried rice. I mean, why would I? I love fried rice too. But what I can suggest is maybe you wanna make it yourself, because when you make it yourself, you have more control about the ingredients you use and also how long it will take to cool your rice before frying it. And remember, you can substitute any ingredient you want to make it healthier. Just make sure you don't let Uncle Roger get his hands on your video. In fact, if you want an easy fried rice recipe to follow, then watch Shesen Lian's version of the Malaysian fried rice. The links for these videos will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and it'll be great if you could like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more health topics.